What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp without any third-party application. You get that right. So if somebody send you a WhatsApp message, guys, and they delete the message, when you open it you're not able to read it, then go ahead and use this trick. So do a swipe up on your phone and go to settings. Right, if you're not able to find settings here, you can use the search and simple type settings and you will find it. From here you want to scroll down to notifications, tap on that, and then you want to click on advanced settings. Then guys, you want to click on notification history, and if this is turned off, go ahead and turn this on, because once you have this on, what's going to happen is that from now on, your Android phone or your Samsung Galaxy phone, if you're using a Samsung Galaxy, this will start to log all those notification history and messages that you receive. So if someone send you a message and then they delete it, it will be captured here and you'll be able to find those notification history because they will be logged here. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So whenever someone send you a message, you can come here and you can check it as well.